Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So in this tutorial, we are going to see Wix based tutorial. So I'm going to show you the rich content element from the database. So the point here is, so whenever you add a database or whenever you add dynamic pages, you always populate the information or the content from the database. So that is the thing, that is the option that we have to populate the or to add the content through databases. So I'm going to show you how the trading pages. So I will just add a sample one. Just add this. So here there are the types of fields like text, number, boolean, drop down options, and rich content, rich text like that. So here you can see dynamic pages has been added. Now the content manager has been opened automatically. So here these are the fields like this is the primary field which it comes by default. It is called title. It is always there in the database. You can either hide it or you can just keep it if you want. You can change the field type. So here you can see that field name is title, field key is title, field type is title text. Here the field type is image. If I show you the properties, if you want to check the field type and the name, just go to properties. Here you will get all the information regarding the field or the column that you are going to use in database, and this is in the content management system. So this content manager has a name of items. This is saved by the name of items. We haven't saved this. We have only created a dynamic page and it just got created automatically. So here this is again a text field type. And this is also text. This is text. This is the page link. So I will just add a new one. So here I will just add a rich content. See. So what's the difference here is, if you go here, as you can see, this is the paragraph. So this is not the perfect way to just add a paragraph. This is beneficial or mostly used for the text, simple text of some words or a sentence of some words, limited. But you can also use this. But if you want to make it good paragraph, you can always add this content. So here, as you can see, this is the rich content. This is the advantage of adding a rich content field type. So as you can see, you can add a heading, then you can add heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and much more in the paragraph as well. You can have the options to edit like this. You can make it bold, italic, underline, change the color of, and you can also give the text color and highlight color as well. So there are much more options that you get in the Pickle editor. So this you can use properly to add database content. I hope you understood. You make sure you add this field whenever you have something like a paragraph in your database or dynamic page. So thanks for watching. I hope you understood. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks.